Well, just about ready to slap some primer on it. Wait for the wife to get home to give me some old towels that she don't want to use, so that way I can wipe it all down with some paint thinner and get her all primed. So she's getting closer. Had my decal person here today. She did all the measuring for the decals. That's going to be going on it. So back of the bed looks like crap, but oh well. Gotta have a workbench somewhere. So the J.M.O truck build is still underway. Hopefully I'll have her all primed and painted by this evening.
Provided it don't rain.
Yeah, I just checked the weather. It don't look like it's going to, so. Alright, well, what she looks like before prime. I'll holler at y'all later.